inputs coming in. This is a big expose, a massive expose on AAP's health model, and lab assistants, in fact, are spilling the beans. We spoke to some of them. Hospital staff were registered as patients. One mobile number was given, and 5,000 tests were registered on just one mobile number. Hundreds of tests that were done, and handful, in fact, were actually carried out. So this is how the entire scam took place according to the ACB, and to corroborate what the allegations are and how it all transpired, we spoke to some of the individuals, the staff members who were involved. We spoke to the people whose numbers have been mentioned in the Anti-Corruption Bureau reports. Lab assistants are now spilling the beans. The first person that we spoke to is Ashok Kumar, who works at Rajiv Gandhi Hospital, and confirms that Metropolis Lab asked him to put his number for patients, and number of tests registered under his names were 4,899. Listen into the conversation.
अशोक कुमार, अच्छा, उन्होंने कोई टेस्ट करवाया था कभी आम आदमी पार्टी मोहल्ला क्लिनिक से? करवाया है उन्होंने?
हाँ, करवाया था।
कितनी बार कराया? क्योंकि एक रिपोर्ट है हमारे पास, उसमें लिखा गया है कि 2000 एक बार करवाया, 2000 बार उन्होंने, इनफैक्ट मोर देन 2000 बार उन्होंने टेस्ट करवाया है।
नहीं।
तो एक बार उन्होंने टेस्ट करवाया है आम आदमी पार्टी क्लिनिक से। कहाँ, कौन सी वाली ब्रांच में?
ये राजीव गांधी हॉस्पिटल।
अच्छा, वहाँ पे उन्होंने एक बार करवाया है।
Well, the second person, named Pratik, is an assistant in a hospital. Total number of cases registered against him or his mobile number is 143, and he confirms that he has never gotten any test done, but his number was used for other patients.
आपने मोहल्ला क्लिनिक से कभी कोई टेस्ट करवाया था?
नहीं।
अच्छा, क्योंकि आपका नंबर 143 टाइम्स यूज हुआ है, तो क्या रीजन है इसके पीछे?
तो आज जो टेस्ट जाता है तो उसमें जो भी मतलब पेशेंट का रहता था वो हमारे ईमेल आईडी और नंबर यूज किया जाता था उसके लिए।
अच्छा, तो इसका क्या रीजन था ये कि आपको लैब ने बोला था कि आप अपना यूज कर सकते हैं फोन नंबर?
नहीं, जो पेशेंट एडमिट रहते थे या जो ओपीडी में रहता था तो उनकी रिपोर्ट्स के लिए टेस्ट करने के लिए हमारे नंबर दिए जाते थे।
A lab assistant at Rajiv Gandhi Hospital, Sundar Singh, confirmed to us that none of the tests had been done in his name, but it was found that 298 tests had been done on his registered mobile number.
आपने सर, मुझे जानना था, आपने मोहल्ला क्लिनिक में कभी टेस्ट करवाए हैं?
जी नहीं।
आपके नंबर पे 298 टेस्ट हो रखे हैं मोहल्ला क्लिनिक पे, आपका नंबर यूज करके।
मैं हॉस्पिटल में काम करता हूँ।
कौन से हॉस्पिटल में?
राजीव गांधी।
अच्छा, तो फिर आपको क्या लगता है किस तरह आपका ये नंबर मिसयूज हुआ है?
कभी कभी जो पेशेंट होते वो हम सैंपल लेके जाते हैं ना, तो उनके फॉर्म में नए भी होते हैं नाम लिखे हुए, या नंबर नहीं होता उनका, अर्जेंट में जाना होता है सैंपल,
तो आप अपना नंबर डाल देते हैं उसमें।
शायद मेरा नंबर एक आध बार डाल दिया होगा, पर मैं कभी भी जाता हूँ लेके भी सैंपल, पर मुझे याद भी नहीं है, शायद डाला हो।
And the next person is Sonu, who is another staff member of a hospital. The number of tests registered are 38, and the number of tests that were actually done was just 4.
सोनू जी से बात हो रही है?
हेलो, हाँ जी।
आपने मोहल्ला क्लिनिक में कभी टेस्ट करवाए हैं?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं करवाया मोहल्ला क्लिनिक में।
हाँ जी?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं करवाया।
38 टेस्ट आपके इस फोन नंबर पे हैं, आपने इसमें से कितने करवाए हैं?
मैम 4 बजे मैं वहाँ पे आया था, मैं अपना वहाँ पे क्लियर भी अपने साइन कर आया था वहाँ पे।
अच्छा, आप पुलिस से मिले हैं, तो 38 में से 4 आपने अपनी वाइफ के लिए करवाए हैं, बाकी का आपको एनी आइडिया कि आपका मिसयूज हुआ है नंबर या आपके खिलाफ कोई फ्रॉड हुआ है?
वहाँ गया था, मेरे को वहाँ पता चला था, इंटरव्यू ऑफिस गया था मैं, तो उन्होंने बताया था 4 मेरी वाइफ के नाम पे है, रेनू नाम है, वो मैंने अपने।
और ये कहाँ करवाए थे 4 टेस्ट आपने, किस हॉस्पिटल?
ये मैंने मैम राजीव गांधी में कराए थे, मैं यहाँ पे खुद वर्किंग हूँ राजीव गांधी हॉस्पिटल में।
अच्छा, तो आपको क्या लगता है बाकी कहाँ ये नंबर आपका यूज हुआ है और किस तरह?
मेरे को ऐसा ही लग रहा है, मेरे ओपीडी में ही हुआ है मिसयूज मेरे नंबर का ये।
मतलब बाकी पेशेंट्स के लिए भी आपका नंबर डाल दिया गया है जिस लाइक दैट? अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है।
So in those conversations, you heard how one mobile number was used for multiple patients, fake tests were done, and it is all being exposed now in the investigation as it proceeds. Let's take a look at this ground report by Akanksha.
Aadmi Party is much touted Mohalla Clinic, and 2 private diagnostic labs are under the scanner here in the national capital. As per the AAP report, fake tests were conducted on phantom patients here, and the loss is in crores. 6,500 tests were conducted. 63% of the patients are fake, they're phantom, and these tests were conducted on patients registered either on invalid numbers or numbers which don't even belong to them. In Times, so in fact, spoke to a lot of people whose number were used, and it is also listed in the ACB inquiry report. We spoke to one Nidhi, and her number ends with 931, and her number was used for as many as 149 tests. She told us that her number was misused, and this appears to be a fraud that has been committed. Then we also spoke to Sonu. His number ends with 537. As many as 38 tests were conducted on his number. He said that he in fact went to the hospital to get 4 tests done of his wife, but does not know where and how his number was used for the other 34 numbers. We also spoke to Sadiq, Mujit, Priyanka, etc., and they all echoed the same concern. In fact, 2 private labs are under the scanner for this. One of them is Metropolis Lab, which is right behind me. They are based in Mumbai, but this is one of the branch here in the national capital. As you can see, this is a lab which was tasked to register the mobile phone of the patients and carry out the tests. However, as part of the ACB report, in fact, tests were done on invalid number or mobile numbers which were not even related to patients. More than 600 tests were done on mobile phones with 10 times 9 for different patients. Inquiry revealed that the number is invalid. Secondly, one number ending with 455 was used to conduct 2399 tests.
Akanksha is joining us live on the broadcast. Akanksha, fake tests, ghost patients. This is what the ACB report is exposing about the magnitude of the scam which is taking place. What is the response coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party on it?
Well, absolutely. Right now, I'm standing outside the office of Aam Aadmi Party, the headquarters here in the national capital. No response has come from them yet. But this is a story about the fake tests, phantom patients, and also alleged scam that took place here in the national capital. Statement from the Aam Aadmi Party as to what actually happened in Mohalla clinics is yet awaited. But definitely, the much touted Mohalla clinic and 2 private labs which were tasked with handling the tests and also registering the number are currently under the scanner. As you heard, the people, the bites of the people whose number was misused, few of them said that the number was misused. They will also approach the police and will file the complaint. We also spoke to other people who are lab assistants, not just in Rajiv Gandhi Hospital, but
absolutely. The Aam Aadmi Party and those responsible for the functioning of the Mohalla clinics will have to answer the questions and explain the discrepancies. Akanksha, thank you for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break.